In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Microsoft Outlook on the web quickly and efficiently, following this 2025 guide. Let's dive in. First, you need to open your web browser. Whether you prefer using Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, any of these browsers will work perfectly fine for this task. Having a reliable and updated browser is crucial for a smooth and secure experience, so make sure yours is up to date. Next, you'll want to navigate to the official Outlook web URL. In your browser's address bar, you can type either outlook.office.com or simply outlook.com. Both of these URLs will direct you straight to Microsoft's web-based Outlook. It's always a good idea to bookmark this URL for quicker access in the future if you frequently use Outlook online. Now, let's move on to signing in to your account. Here you will need to enter your email address. This could be your standard Outlook email, something like name@outlook.com, or perhaps you have a different Microsoft email, such as name@live.com. If you use Outlook for work, you would enter your work email address here. After entering your email, you'll need to input your password. Ensure your password is strong and secure to protect your account. Once you've filled in both fields, go ahead and click on the Sign In button to proceed. After successfully signing in, you will be welcomed into your Outlook email interface. Here, you'll immediately notice your inbox, where all your latest emails live. On the left-hand side, you should see various options. There are folders where you can manage and sort different email categories to stay organized. Above the mailbox, there's a search bar. This powerful tool will help you quickly find specific emails or contacts without having to scroll endlessly. In the same left sidebar, you will find icons for accessing your calendar, contacts, and tasks. This layout makes it convenient to move between your emails and these other essential features all within the same space. And that's it. You've accessed Microsoft Outlook on the web smoothly and straightforwardly. Remember, regularly checking your inbox, organizing your emails into folders, and utilizing the search, calendar, and tasks functions will enhance your productivity. Keep your emails secure and enjoy the convenience of managing your communications online with Outlook. Thank you for following along, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. See you in the next video.